The MyMalaysia Award 2021, a spectacular and anticipated award event ceremony that will be held on the 25th of November, 6 p.m., at Dewan Tun Abdul Razak, Menara Kembar Bank Rakyat, KL Central. The award ceremony is open to all sustainability brands who are pursuing for success, recovery, and resilience in this difficult pandemic time. Nomination is also open for homegrown Malaysian companies, with initiatives that highlight the excellent work of the companies that have exhibited exemplary achievements in the areas of corporate social responsibility, patriotism, leadership, community service, business activity, excellence brands, and more. For those who are interested to apply, submit your details, mission and vision statement, core value, products, services, website link, and Facebook link in the nomination form by scanning on this QR code. So, do not miss out the opportunity. Register and fill up the nomination form to be recognized for your great effort and achievement.